Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 2 power x plus 4 power x equal to 8 power x. 2 power x plus, this 4 can be written as 2 power 2 whole power x equal to, this 8 can be written as 2 power 3 whole power x. Now we are going to apply this x plus identity that a power m whole power n equal to a power n whole power m. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get 2 power x plus 2 power x whole power 2 equal to 2 power x whole power 3. Now 2 power x, let us assume that 2 power x equal to y. Now applying here, y plus y square equal to y power 3. Now moving this right hand side, so y power 3 minus y power 2 minus y equal to 0. Now take one y common from this, y open bracket y power 2 minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have two equations here. One is y equal to 0, other one is y square minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now we are going to apply quadratic equation for this equation, that is y power 2 minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 1. Here y equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 by 2 times 1. Here minus into minus is plus 1 plus or minus square root of, here minus 1 square is 1, here minus into minus is plus, 4 times 1 is 4, again 4 times 1 is 4 by 2 times 1 is 2. Now 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4 is 5 by 2. Here y equal to 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 or 1 minus square root of 5 by 2. Now recall this, 2 power x equal to y. This is y equal to, we are going to take this now. So 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. So 2 power x equal to 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. Now we are going to take a log on both sides. For 2 power x equal to 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. Here we are going to take a log, here log. So here we are going to apply log power formula, that is log m power n equal to n log m. This power formula we are going to apply here, so that this x comes before log. x log 2 equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. Now this can be written as log 1 plus square root of 5 minus log 2. Here we have applied that log a by b equal to log a minus log b. This formula we have applied here. So we got this. So x log 2 equals to minus log 2. Now we are going to divide by log 2 on both sides. So log 2 here, log 2 here. Now this log 2 cancels this. So we have x equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 by log 2 minus log 2 by log 2. Now this log 2 cancels this log 2, so we have here 1. Now x equals to log 1 plus square root of 5 by log 2 minus this is 1. Now we are going to apply other log formula, that log a by log b equal to log a base b. This formula we are going to apply here. So we get x equal to log 1 plus square root of 5. Here it is 2 minus 1. This is the x value for given equation. Thanks for watching this video.